There are 3 sedans sitting on dealer lots right now that salespeople practically beg people to look at. And every mechanic I know, they're quietly recommending them to their own families. These aren't good enough compromises. I'm talking about sedans that'll go 300,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and tire rotations, selling for thousands less than they should because of one stupid reason. Nobody knows they're actually reliable. After working in the automotive industry for over a decade, I've watched people overpay for Camrys and Accords, while these 3 just sit there, waiting for someone smart enough to notice. Today, I'm counting down my 3 most underrated sedans on the used market, the ones that offer Toyota-level dependability at bargain basement prices. Let's get into it. Number 3. Buick Regal. Number 3 is a sedan with German engineering, Japanese transmission, and American pricing. You can pick up a 2014 to 2017 Buick Regal for under $10,000. Last year, a guy came in asking me to inspect a BMW 328e he was buying. 2015 model, 87,000 miles. Dealer wanted $14,500. I looked at the maintenance history and told him straight, "You're about to spend $14,500 on a car that needs $4,000 in repairs within 18 months." He asked what I'd buy instead. I showed him a 2015 Buick Regal with 62,000 miles for $8,900. Same power, better reliability, $5,600 less. A Buick? That's what my grandma drives. He bought it. 14 months later, $47 in repairs total, an air filter and oil change. Here's what nobody tells you. The second-generation Regal was built on GM's Epsilon 2 platform, co-developed with Opel in Germany. The 2.0-liter turbo is the LTG engine that won Ward's 10 best engines 3 years running. The 6-speed automatic is from Osen, a Japanese company that supplies Toyota. German engineering, Japanese transmission, American pricing, because it says Buick and people under 50 won't touch it. RepairPal gives it 4.0 out of 5.0, ranking 13th out of 24 midsize cars. Annual repair cost, $563, lower than an Accord. Regal owners visit the shop 0.2 times per year for unscheduled repairs. That's half the midsize average. A 2015 Regal with 80,000 miles runs $8,500 to $11,000. Same year BMW 328i, $14,000 to $18,000. Timing chain on the Regal costs $1,100. BMW, $2,800 minimum. I can replace the Regal's turbo in 3 hours. The BMW's is buried. $3,200 in labor alone. Shopping checklist. Check the PCV valve. Revised part after 2014 fixed oil consumption. Look at the turbo inlet pipe for cracks. Test the touchscreen. Some CUE systems had delamination issues. Who should buy? Anyone wanting premium driving without premium bills. Who should skip? If you care what neighbors think or need all-wheel drive. The math. Buy for $9,000. Drive 150,000 miles. Spend $2,500 on maintenance. Best dollars per mile deal in midsize sedans. Number 2. Mazda 6. Number 2 has the lowest repair costs of any midsize sedan. Lower than Camry, lower than Accord, and it depreciates like nobody knows it exists. Every time a Mazda 6 rolls into my shop, I'm disappointed because there's nothing wrong with it. Oil changes, brake pads, tires. That's it. Last month, a 2016 came in with 167,000 miles. Guy bought it new, drove it 8 years, wanted to know what big maintenance was coming. I inspected everything. Suspension, brakes, undercarriage, transmission fluid. Found nothing. Original spark plug still had life. Told him come back in 30,000 miles. He looked like I was lying. Mazda kept the 3rd Gen 6 simple. The SkyActiv 2.5 liter uses a maintenance-free timing chain that lasts as long as the engine. The 6-speed automatic is traditional torque converter. No CVT, no dual clutch. Just proven reliability. The compression ratio is 13:1, higher than most sports cars. Better fuel efficiency without sacrificing durability. A 2017 Mazda 6, touring with 70,000 miles, runs $12,000 to $14,000. Same year Camry SE, $17,000 to $19,000. That's $5,000 less for a car that costs less to maintain. Most expensive repair I've done, water pump at 140,000 miles, $680. Average Accord surprise repair, $1,100. Test drive tips. Check if the infotainment knob feels loose. Drive highway speed. Let off gas at 45 miles per hour. Slight shudder means motor mounts. $350 fix. 2014 to 2015 models had paint bubbling. Check hood and trunk edges. Who should buy? Want fun driving and low costs? This is it. Keeping past 200,000 miles? Perfect. Who should skip? Need max back seat space? It's tight. Want latest tech? Get 2018 plus. Buying for resale? Market hasn't caught up yet. The math. Buy for $12,000. Drive 150,000 miles. Spend $2,500 maintenance. Best value in the class. All right, that was number 2. This number 1 is the sedan I recommend more than any other, and almost everyone pushes back at first until they drive one. But before I get to that, if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to number 1. Number 1, Lexus ES 350. Number 1 is a full-size sedan with the same drivetrain as the Toyota Avalon, same reliability as the Camry, more features than both, and it's selling for less than a same-year Accord because people think Lexus maintenance is expensive. Spoiler alert, it's not. 2 years ago, a woman came in, mid-40s, professional, needed something reliable for a 60-mile daily commute. She'd been looking at Camrys and Accords with a budget of $18,000. I asked if she'd considered the Lexus ES 350. She laughed. That's a luxury car. The maintenance alone would kill me. I pointed at my business partner's 2013 ES 350 parked nearby. He bought that with 88,000 miles for $13,200. He's at 197,000 miles now. You know what he spent on maintenance? $1,800 total over 6 years. That includes a full brake job and new tires. She bought a 2014 ES 350 the next week for $14,800 with 73,000 miles. Texted me last month. She's at 148,000 miles now, 0 mechanical issues. Her exact words, "Why doesn't anyone talk about this car?" The 6th generation ES 350 shares its platform, its 3.5-liter V6, and its 6-speed automatic with the Toyota Camry and Avalon. I'm not exaggerating. Same parts, same reliability, same Toyota engineering. The 2GRF EV6 is arguably the most reliable 6-cylinder engine Toyota has ever built. It doesn't have direct injection carbon buildup problems. It doesn't have timing belt replacement intervals. It just runs. I've personally worked on ES 350s with over 300,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. Not I heard about one. 3 vehicles I've personally serviced that are still on the road. A 2015 Lexus ES 350 with 80,000 miles sells for $15,000 to $18,000 today. A 2015 Honda Accord EXL with the same miles? $16,000 to $19,000. You're getting a luxury sedan with a V6 for the same price as a 4-cylinder Accord. Compare it to a same-year Camry XLE V6. That runs $15,500 to $18,500. Almost the same money for a Lexus with leather, better sound deadening, and a quieter ride. RepairPal gives the ES 350 a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, ranking it 4th out of 31 luxury midsize cars. The average annual repair cost is just $468. That's $58 less than a Honda Accord and $74 less than a Toyota Camry. Think about that. The luxury car costs less to maintain than the economy cars. Repair costs? Brake pads are $280 for all 4 wheels. Transmission fluid change is $180. Water pump, if it ever fails, rare past 200,000 miles, costs $650. Compare that to a BMW 5 Series water pump at $1,800. Shopping checklist. Check the VIN for dashboard recalls. Some 2007 to 2014 models had cracking issues in hot climates. Look at tire wear patterns for alignment neglect. Test the infotainment system for lag. Pro tip, find one owned by an older person. They garage them, maintain on schedule, and drive gently. Who should buy? Highway commuters, anyone wanting Lexus luxury without new car pricing, people needing quiet comfort. Who should skip? Under 30 and care what friends think. Not the move. Want sporty handling? It's comfort tuned. Need compact parking? It's 193 inches long. Final take. Best sedan under $18,000. Full-size, luxury-featured Toyota reliability. Priced like people forgot Lexus is just fancy Toyota. If I had to buy one car for the next 10 years with the lowest cost of ownership, I'd buy a 2013 to 2016 ES 350 and sleep easy. So there it is. 3 sedans the market forgot, but smart buyers didn't. The Buick Regal with German bones and American pricing. The Mazda 6 that depreciates like it's cursed but runs like it's blessed. And the Lexus ES 350, the best kept secret in the used sedan market. You now know 3 sedans you can buy for under $15,000 that will outlast vehicles twice their price. Next time you're on a dealer lot and the salesman tries to push you toward a boring Camry or overpriced Accord, you'll know better. Hit subscribe if this helped you. I'll keep bringing you the truth about what's actually worth your money. Drive safe, take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. See you in the next one.